This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 22RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, refrigerator, spare tire kit, smoke detector, TV, DVD player, skylight, slide-out, LP detector, auxiliary battery, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 22RK is 7,158 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.